So Isaac is making a homemade filtration fan for our house because if you look out there, it's just nasty and you can hardly breathe. And it's actually, we have one air purifier, but we didn't have enough. So this is what he did, or he's doing.
Taking out a box fan, carved out a little piece of cardboard.
Turn it over. I like the other side. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
For that, and I just tape it on with duct tape or masking tape, and then I got these two Hepa filters. They're somewhat used, but I think they're still good.
Yeah, those were in our
real air purifier.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna just
we have new ones. We put new ones in our real one that's downstairs, but he's
take
gonna
that on, and then I'll stick those in there. And we'll see how it works.
Cool. You're so handy.
What's Red Green say? If the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.
I think you're handsome and handy.
Oh, thanks.
This is cool because it's so smoky in my office, and I can feel it in my throat. And we have really nice windows. They seal really good. So we've got like nice windows and everything. It's just, man, it just comes in everywhere.
Yeah, finds its way in.
It's better than being outside. Poor people who, well, we used to live outside. We've been outside in a snowstorm before. It's been was awful.
Got an arrow on it, shows the airflow direction.
So then which way are you going to put
So I'm
that?
putting this whole thick contraption on the back of the fan, so that's going to pull the air through.
So you put that with the arrow down.
Pointing in the airflow direction of the fan.
Cool.
There, and the suction will
I don't see the.
hold everything
Oh,
on.
let's go together. Oh, I see. There we go.
There.
So you don't need to tape those in, you don't think?
No,
Because they'll hold it
the-
pretty strong.
The fit is good, but
Okay.
then the air suction from the air will hold the cardboard, and the filters will pull them against
Okay.
the back of the fan. We'll see what happens.
So would you be able to like smell clean air or something? Or?
So it's gonna put a little extra strain on the fan motor because now there's resistance, but it's an old fan.
Yep.
So burns up first.
So now I should be able to. Huh. We'll see. Can you feel it? Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a good test. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, it feels like we'll need to run it on high
Okay.
to really have anything coming out. It's not much. Not a lot of air coming out.
There's some like right there coming at the top.
Yeah, that's interesting. So it's actually going to be, it'll actually suck some air back in this way to make up the difference.
Okay.
But
Nice. Thank you.
But it's gonna move some air through the filters, which will clean the air.
Okay. Thank you. Handyman.